Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to another video from TW White & Sons. So here we have a CX-5 2.2 150 PS diesel automatic. This is the sport specification, so it has all the goodies like the leather seats, the BOSE stereo, the auto tailgate, amongst many other things that I'll go into more detail when we get in the car. Now, I'll give you a bit of background on the vehicle. This was one of our company vehicles, so we were the first registered keeper. Then a long-standing customer of ours, who's probably watching this video, so thank you very much for this lovely car, has part exchanged it with us. I think he's had it for the best part of sort of 3 years on a PCP, and has gone for one of our new CX-80 diesel. So who says diesels are dead? I think there's a future for diesels. Diesels are amazing, they're awesome, and the previous owner, he takes regular trips to Cornwall, so it really did suit his needs. He was looking at a CX-5 but decided to go for a diesel, and we found there is actually quite a demand for diesel cars, especially on the used market. So this car, Soul Red Crystal, is in beautiful condition. Please don't be put off from the roof racks. The gentleman, when he goes to Cornwall, he was bodyboarding, and he didn't want salty boards in the car. He does keep his cars very, very nice. He's a car enthusiast. As I've known him for, I think, about 12 or 13 years now. But this car is mint. It's absolutely lovely. Now, it's one of the, because it's the Sport, and it's not a Sport Plus, it's a Sport, it's the sort of facelifted car. And I'll show you what I mean by that, so you're, so we're all on the same page. Now, the Sport has a slightly bigger screen, okay? It will have, so if you're comparing these cars with other cars, it'll have a key that looks like that, okay? So there was a little revision. So you've got a slightly bigger screen, a key looks like that, and a few other bits and pieces, but I can't remember off the top of my head. Now, this car's done 30,357 miles. Okay, interior beautiful. As I say, the gentleman was conscious of carrying bodyboards with salt water, hence the roof rack. And look at that, look. No horrible marks on the tailgate. Let's have a look in the boot. I've not looked in the boot yet. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so it's not one of these cars that sort of you can use as a kennel. It has been cherished. As I say, the gentleman is a car enthusiast. He's been a customer of TW White's for over 20 years. And his sister-in-law as well. And his mother, actually. Now look at that. All beautiful in the back. Absolutely lovely. And I don't think we've even given this car a valet. No, we haven't. Look at that. The rear door opens up at about 80 degrees. So ease of getting in and out. All the wheels are unmarked. Got electric seats up front. Memory on the driver's seat. It's just a lovely, lovely thing. And being diesel makes it quite sought after, because people got a bit scared with diesels, with lots of misinformation, things taken out of kilter, and everyone sort of rushed out and bought petrols. And petrols are fine, nothing wrong, but these have got that much better power delivery, torque, range, and I'd say they drive better than the petrols. But as I say, there's nothing wrong with the petrols. If it's a petrol you're after, give us a shout, we've got plenty of them. Right, so let's get in the car. Now, start up the car. Now, most of these would be the Sport Nav Plus, but this has dropped the Plus bit and it's the Sport, okay? If you want to get technical, and as I say, it'll have a key like that and a slightly bigger screen. So do look out for that if you're comparing apples for apples, pears for pears. Right, look at the steering wheel, beautiful condition. You're probably thinking, why are you pointing this out? Because since hand sanitizer was widely used, I found that it's really taken a toll on a lot of interiors of cars, especially steering wheels and buttons, but it's all lovely. Now, I've printed out the service history. So, without disclosing the customer's information. I'll cover that up. So there you go. It was a company vehicle, originally put on the road at our Weybridge branch. And then in 2022, so at some point between I think it was about 2021, the previous owner bought the vehicle. 22, we serviced it, 23, 24, and look at that, 9th of Jan 2025 at 29,588. So it's been serviced less than 1,000 miles ago. How about that? Still, the car will still go through the workshop, and anything that requires doing shall be done. Okay, so we have like a 101 point check. Now I want to be nosy here. So there we are. Over 8,104 miles. This has achieved almost 48 miles per gallon. Yeah. So I think that's superb. I say these are really awesome cars. Adaptive cruise control, auto wipers, auto lights, a very slick Bluetooth system. Okay, dual zone climate, heating steering wheel. Now I know you probably say, oh well, this is that's got that car's got that car's got that. You know, it's no big deal. The big deal is with a Mazda, the quality, the fit, the finish is excellent. I have a GLA in stock. Nothing wrong. It's an okay car. Doesn't have the spec this has, and the materials used aren't that great. Where Mazda load their cars up and make them really, really well. You've got the BOSE premium sound system as well. Reverse camera. Heads-up display. It's not flashing by that. It's just my camera can't handle the resolution. That displays onto the windscreens. Not one of these horrible pop-ups that you got on the early Mazdas, or if you get a Ford of today, that's got a pop-up. Notice that. You've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. DAB radio, FM, AM. A slick sat-nav, but obviously with your CarPlay, you can use your sat-nav app of your choice. Height adjustable heads-up display. Safety, blind spot monitoring, distance recognition support system, lane keep assist, BOSE sound system, GPS sync clock. The list goes on and on and on. So why buy from us? I'll tell you why. This is a lovely car. We sold it new. We've always looked after it. And because we're a Mazda warranty that participate in the approved used car scheme, because not all do, this car will come with a 12-month Mazda ZZ Plus warranty, free of charge. And that's a comprehensive warranty that requires us to prepare our cars to a high standard, to give it all the necessary checks. And you also get a 12-month roadside assistance, which is home start and European cover. So not one of these sort of complimentary ones that really require you to sign up for it to be any good. Okay, now other reasons: we've got the most amazing part exchange policy, because we actually want your part exchange. So regardless of age, model, condition, mileage, we want your part exchange. I know there's a lot of hype out there, sell your car online and get a better deal and all that. That's those big companies advertising, trying to feed the auctions, which they are owned by. Get in touch with us. Let's see what we can do. We're a fair business, and we want you to have an enjoyable, seamless buying experience. All right. Now, we're a 7-day-a-week business, and we don't mind responding out of hours. So get in touch. Let's see what we can do. If it's the phone, give us a call. Leave a voicemail if we're not around, or if it's out of hours, leave a voicemail. We'll call you back. I know a lot of people out there, they just want to speak to people, or alternatively, drop us an email. Okay. Now, I'd like you to please subscribe, share this video, comment, like, and look at our reviews. And I say, get in touch. Let's see what we can do. So thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.